Morning everybody and welcome back to Farming with Boise. It's a glorious day down here in Hampshire. If you could subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, much appreciated. Let's get farming. So some of you will be aware we've had some pretty atrocious weather across all of England, Great Britain over the last few days. Last couple of weeks actually. So we've got the old girl out. This is our go-to machine when we are pretty wet really. We're just running through with the power harrow drill after the chisel plough, which is a homemade chisel plough that my father made when he was about 30. Still works great. You should be able to see it in the distance over there. We call it the BJB Pan Buster. It's I think it's about 19 legs of Brown's Pan Buster legs. There's two cultivators welded together with trailer wheels either side on some trailer jockeys. Makes a great job in these sort of situations. So the drill we're running today is the Kuhnventa. It's 4 metre. We've had it since 2006 from new. We don't use it very much anymore. We do 300 to 400 acres a year with it because it's just conventional farming for us is a lot slower. Most of our ground is quite light. I mean the ground here is a chalky loam, not too many flints in this one, which is nice. So it dries quick, it's free draining, and we can crack on with the min-till equipment. But there's no doubt about it, a power harrow drill does make a lovely job. Normally we wouldn't have this drill out at this time of the year. Today's the 14th of October, so it's still fairly early in our drilling calendar. But as of last year, when it started to rain, it never stopped. So we only got around 65 to 70% of all of our autumn crops in last year. So we don't want to be stuck in that situation again. So we're cracking on. We'll drill with this for a couple of days, and we'll get the big Sprinter drill out, which is back parked up in the shed. Which drills so much faster. This drill that I'm on now, you're lucky to do, it's 4 metres, you're lucky to do 35 to 40 acres a day in hard conditions, hard going conditions. Whereas with the Sprinter, we can easily smash out 80 to 100 acres a day. We don't drill late here. As soon as it starts to get dark, we always shut down and pack up tools because it's quite a large. There's quite a large partridge shoot here, so the partridges are heading home, tucking up in bed at that time of the day. So we like to let them go in and tuck down and rest. We don't want to disturb them too much. So we're hoping to put in around 1,000 acres this autumn. We've done pretty well already. We've got all of our green cover in, most of our wheat's in. Now with the winter barley going in, we should, if the weather holds out for the next 4 or 5 days, we should get done. I think we've got about 300 acres to drill, and then we'll be wrapped up and finished. Most of it hasn't got rolled this autumn, just because of the weather, but we'll run through in the spring and we'll roll it all down then. We managed to get the Avidex on, which is great for the black grass control. So we are hoping to get finished. We can put the kit away, wash it off for the winter, and things will inevitably be better. So today we're drilling winter barley. We're drilling this at quite a low seed rate of, I think it's 100 kilos a hectare. It's a hybrid variety called Bazooka. We're drilling it, it's a second barley, so we had a spring barley in this field this year, and we're now drilling a winter barley out here for entry into rape next year. So this hybrid variety is supposed to be okay with tackle and to stop any other diseases that could occur from growing barley repeated. Sorry about the windows, everybody. I've been hedge cutting and I've just literally taken the hedge cutter off and slapped the drill on quick because the weather's changed. So if they do look a bit mucky and you can't see out very well, I do apologise. You know, puppy. Here's Piper. So yet again, rain's come. That's the end of that. I'll head back to the farm now, pack it away for tonight, and then hope for a better day tomorrow.